Imagine this. Donald Trump is learning Power BI. Yeah, you heard that right. A man who once said you are fired is now saying you are hired to a dashboard. But the real question is, can someone like Donald Trump become a Power BI developer? And if yes, then how you can do it with just 20% effort and still get 80% results? That's all we are going to cover in this video. Power BI is not just another tool, it's the future of business intelligence. Companies need people who can take boring raw data and convert it into powerful dashboards. That's where Power BI developers come in. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding genius or a math wizard. Even Trump, if he gave it a shot, could learn it. So let's break down the roadmap step by step. Now before proceeding further, I just want to notify you all that I created an amazing entire Power BI developer roadmap, and the link of that roadmap I will provide you in the description box. Let's start how to become a Power BI developer. Okay, so we are going to use the 80 by 20 rule for learning Power BI. Okay, so here's the secret. You don't have to learn everything at once. Apply the Pareto principle. Means focus on the 20% of topics that give you 80% of the results. Okay, I am going to explain this in 5 steps. Step 1, learn the Excel basics like cleaning data, pivot tables, VLOOKUP. This will build your foundation and more. Step 2, Power BI interface and data connections. Learn to load data from Excel, SQL and CSV and more. Step 3, data modeling. Relationships between tables, calculated columns and more. Step 4, DAX basics. Learn about sum, averages, count rows, simple measures and more. Step 5, visualizations and dashboards like charts, slicers, KPIs, interactive filters and more. With just these 5 steps, you will already be more skilled than 70% of beginners. This is the Trump shortcut to learn Power BI. Now we will talk about the skills that you need to become a Power BI developer. So let's see if Trump has the skills to be a developer. So the first is data visualization, means presenting numbers in a story format. Second, data analytics, means finding patterns and insights. Third, DAX, means doing calculations. And fourth, SQL and Excel, handling data from sources. And fifth, communication, explaining dashboards to business people. Now, whether Trump can do this or not is debatable, but you definitely can if you follow this roadmap. So in the roadmap that I provided you in the description box contains the resources also. Yes, and there are 2 types of resources. It contains free resources and paid resources both. So if Trump wanted a personal tutor, he would probably hire one. But for you, these free and cheap resources are enough. So must check out them. Don't just learn build. Okay, now don't just learn, build projects. Take sample data sets from Kaggle or government portals. Create dashboards like sales dashboard, employee performance dashboard, cricket match stats dashboard, and more. Build a portfolio of 3 to 4 dashboards and you will stand out in job interviews. Now let's talk about the career scope. The BI market is booming and it's growing from $23 billion in 2020 to $33 billion by 2025. Every company needs Power BI experts. Average salary of Power BI developers ranges from between 5 to 12 LPA in India and even higher abroad. So yes, even if Trump never learns Power BI, you can use this roadmap and start your journey as a developer. So can Donald Trump become a Power BI developer? Okay, it's debatable because he's a very busy person and he's the president of America. But can you? Yes, 100% you can become a Power BI developer. Just remember that start small, focus on the 20% that matters, and keep practicing. Now, as I already informed you that I created an entire roadmap on how to become a Power BI developer, and the PDF I have shared in the description. So, hit like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more career roadmaps and comment below. Who should I cover next? Elon Musk learning Python or Bill Gates learning DAX? This is Manish Maut signing off and wishing you a powerful journey with Power BI. Thank you for watching this video.